Igbo be ekene m no Igbo ndị ọma njem ọ na-Igbo m nsị m ọzọ ya ma na-ege m ntị n'onu. Achọrọ m ka ị nene this video ka anyị duru gị gaa round Zion altar, the main altar. That is nke a na-alụ. Altar ahụ ga-contain about more than 100 people. Achọrọ m ka m duru gaa round kufu ihe a na-eme and the quality of materials ejiwelu the altar. Ka ifu that na eni na that altar abụla ebele ego. Who is doing all these things? God is using Evangelist Chukwebukobi and some Zionites, some of our brothers and sisters that contribute to make sure that na this project no na-aga every day. So achọrọ m ka ị nene this video. Ọ bụ na ị neneche this video, anyị wee na site nene video anụ.
Igbo ekele m ndị Igbo m ụbọchị mara n'ụma. Ndị Igbo m n'ụlọ anya ebe onye nwe m nọ taa holy ground NGOKPALA. This is Altar Zion Ministry NGOKPALA, a holy place. People na-eshi different place abịa ekpere. Whether prophet or prophet anọ ya. Iburu mkpa gị bịa here abịa ekpere believe na Chukwu azala go time because this place is already holy. Only the breeze in echo here that God is here. NGOKPALA is a blessed land. NGOKPALA Walagozi is a holy place. People come here to pray. The atmosphere alone this place is already anointed. And this place Adela blessed already to heal any sickness, anything if you be here. If you have not been here, you will not understand. I appreciate our prophet and I really thank God of Zion for making this project possible. Billions of naira bala here. This is not million, billions. The election here from ala to who the iron, who the pipe, who the things in here, who don't know here more than 1,000 workers, more than 1,000 people know here now every day and night. Just imagine go now abandon they pay 15,000 daily or 7,000 times here again when I go Zion Ministry have been paying out to support these people who know here. Look at the kind of iron and then building materials and then they know into building projects. My head all this road on other. You lay pipe on the man, this is billion project. So why when you is doing this is to appreciate our prophet and to appreciate all supporters of Zion. I say may God Almighty bless every one of you that have been supporting the line. I'm encouraging everybody next one you women Zion. Something drop this place. Come and do it on your own. God must surely bless you. Only women have been doing this. This is one of the secrets many people now. You come and drop. Come, drop it for the sake of God. This is our own. Here our labor can make here. Here I won't allow Yoruba. Here I won't allow those. You can have massive this place. You know here now you can make call. MTN mass. You can make call. You can communicate with your people. I want to be here many years ago. Do I know how you more how and work she dig more heba. But look at the kind of projects you got here. Come go show who thickness how we from ala to elu. Who thickness from ala to elu. Come and watch by yourself. Look at the thickness. Look where balano. Cast here. So I'm showing you this. This is multi-billion project. May God bless our prophet and bless all Zionites, all lovers of Zion all over the world. May God provide for you guys. Chineke roputarono. Ndị niile tiga he na project a. No believe no be na-etinye ka Chineke mere gị. This is our own. I love Prophet Bukobi. I love him. He's a nice man. For ya we will let him and Ali Bogoshira. He's a good man. God bless you all.
ama m na unu enenechego ya bụ video. Akwụ na fugo the altar, ifu the foundation of the altar, ifugo the level of project naga na this particular place. If for how big this altar, the altar, I'm not talking about the whole Zion ground, I'm talking about the altar gongom, the altar himself. If for how big God, if with the quantity of year use the the altar. So my brother and sisters, obulobere project na geba yin made this video. What is it that you think that your spirit leads you, or like madna force go windy ganokata say spirit him now okay, now with the 1 bag of cement. Your 1 bag of cement can go far. Your 1 bag of cement can go far. Your a tipper or half tipper of sand can go far. Anything you can think of, ima that now deep down inside you, this is what God, your spirit lead you to give. Please don't forget to put it in comment section in case somebody got sicky reach out ki hear the thing. Put it in comment section. Once I see it, I'm going to send it forward or direct it to the right person. Ige Megan Iga Gapu. Biko echefuna obuni wete this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to on your notification. Like I said, we'll be bringing updates from Zion ground so that good Megan could malu iye NGOKPALA today. Ogum kolam noni bunde manjemono ke mesian.